So we have this question here that says, write in simple logarithms of the following here. So what we're going to do here is, we're going to be utilizing the properties of logs, where the first one is if you have log a times b, this is the same as log a plus log b here. Then log a over b is the same as log a minus log b here. Then log a to the power n is the same as n log a, like this here. Okay, so these are the three properties that we're going to use to evaluate what we have this set here. So we have to write these in simple logs here. So we look at this set here. If these are being added here, it means that the functions that are inside here were being multiplied. So meaning that here we're going to have, for a here, we're going to have log, the base is 2 here. Then, since we just have addition throughout here in this expression, meaning that this was being multiplied by what we have inside here and also what we have here, looking at the first property that we have this set here. So meaning that here we're going to have x to the power 3 plus 1 multiplied by x multiplied by 25x, like this. So then, as a single log here, we have log the base 2 here of, if you multiply x by 25x here, we're going to get 25x squared. So mean that here we have 25x squared, open brackets, then here we have x to the power 3 plus 1, like this. So we've written the first one here in form of a simple log there. Okay, let's look at b. Now for b here, if you look at this here, this symbol that we have for subtraction here simply means that the logs were being divided there, and this here simply shows that the functions inside here and the one that we have inside there were being multiplied. So meaning that here we first utilize the third property here because we have these coefficients that we have here. So we need to take the coefficients up here, and we also take this coefficient up there. So meaning that we're going to have log of sine x, the base 2, plus, we take the half up, we're going to have log the base 2 of 4x, the power half, like this. Then minus this side here, we also take the 3 up, we're going to have log the base 2 of 3, the power 3, like this. So then, here now, any number that is raised to the power half, we're just looking at the square root of that number. So meaning that the square root of 4 is simply 2, and the square root of x is just the square root of x here. So meaning that here we're going to have log the base 2 of sine x plus log to the base 2 of 2, the square root of x, like this here, minus, when we evaluate what we have here, so 3 to the power 3, we're going to get 27. So here we say log the base 2 of 27, like this here. So now, since between these two log functions that we have here, we have addition, so what we're simply going to do now is we multiply the functions inside the logs that we have here. So I mean that here we're going to have log the base 2 of sine x multiplied by 2 root x, like this, we close, minus log the base 2 of 27 here. So the fact that we're subtracting here, it means that this function that we have here is being divided into this function, this set here. So therefore here we're going to have log to the base 2, open brackets, 2 root x sine x divided by 27, like this. So we've written the second question in form of a simple log there. Okay, thank you.